What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Nubia is unveiling Z60S Pro in the market. It has powerful processor, sharp display and bigger battery. Now opening the box. In the box you will find documents, SIM tray ejector, plastic back case, 80-watt charging adapter and USB Type-C cable. First talk about design. The Nubia Z60S Pro built with glass front, silicone polymer back, aluminum frame, and smartphone has an exclusive feature to enhance satellite communication coverage. The smartphone has got a chipset of Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 2, which is used in high devices. To give more power to this handset, there is a 3.36 GHz octa-core processor under the hood of this phone. Also, there is a GPU of Adreno 740. The smartphone has got 12 and 16 GB of RAM, which is a powerful RAM used in this smartphone. So you can say that your phone is going to run at a super fast speed because of its powerful RAM. On the rear of the smartphone, there is a dual camera setup, indicating strong camera capabilities. Third generation native 3mm lens with a Sony 9 series flagship sensor, a 50 megapixel AF ultra wide angle macro lens, an 80mm f telephoto lens with OIS optical stabilization, and Neo Vision Tarzan AI Image 2.0. Additionally, the camera focuses on outdoor functionality, featuring an exclusive button to activate satellite communication. The front camera in this smartphone will be a single camera, which is 16 megapixel, to make taking selfies more easy and attractive. This new smartphone has a 6.8 inches screen size, which is a big screen display. And this device has got a Full HD display with a resolution of 1260 by 2800 pixels. The built-in storage capacity of this phone is 256 and 1 TB, which means that the capacity of your data is unlimited. The device has got an under-display optical fingerprint reader. Is there to protect it from any unauthorized person. The battery is also a massive one. The handset is fueled with non-removable 5100 mAh battery to get enough backup time, and the smartphone got a 80-watt fast charging. The smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system. The colors are black, khaki, silver, white. That's all for now and thanks for watching.